Hello guys, you are just facing a problem regarding your job and your talent, and you are nothing getting from the market and from the positions you held, and you are working hardly and nothing you are getting from your company. So let I am going to just teach you here the another platform where you are going to make a something part-time job, or maybe just a online work where you can feel happy by getting the paid work by doing the job here. So let's become with this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. Let I first introduce you that here Upwork, the name Upwork, it should be clear here that it's here the platform where you are going to get the work here as like a freelancer. Let I just begin with this. If you want to just show your talent by doing the something here and just doing your presenting your skills and just doing the work and completing the work on time and giving the work on the time to your clients, so that is a very best platform here. Upwork should give you a very good platform where you can just write here that you are making the money here by just doing the job online. So if you are interested, so don't forget to just subscribe this channel. Let I introduce you first of all that here the number of the things you are just going to just complete by sitting in your home. So nothing is there, simply you do what you have to do, simple make a just make a create your just log in here, just create your profile here. You one thing you have to just keep in mind, your profile is always be attractive, top rated, and be a responsible client for the freelancer and the client's connections. And whenever you are a freelancer, so you have to keep in your mind that your client is always be suitable to just get a proper work from you, and your client is always be happy with giving a 5-star rating. This would just create your just grow your profile rating also. This can give you a very good personality in the field of doing the work and job in the online market. So Upwork is a very best platform for that. Let us show you something best for you, that no cost to join, it is a totally free registrations. The thing is there, if you want to put the something bid, then you have to just buy the connect here. What are the connect? Let I just tell you. Connect is nothing, is a simple art type of token which you have to buy it for just applying for the bid. What is bid here? Let I tell you once again, that something the client is just presenting his work on the platform Upwork, where you can just choose according to your activities, your talent, that what kind of work you should be able to just work, give the just do it and complete at the time to give the provide to the client. So to just put the bid on that, or just request to them to give the to provide the work to you, for that it's required a connect. So connect is a kind of token which Upwork is just providing you here, and you have to buy that token. If there is a token, so you can just easily going to just put and just take a work from the Upwork with the clients, and you can just start your career just doing just completing your the work online, and you can just start your journey here. What the thing is there, if you are a freelancer, you can just able to just take the work, and if you are the client, you can just able to do the post here. For the example, if you want to start your company and nothing you have to know about it, so here you can just to hire a virtual assistant and just pay to them as like a client. So the thing is there, here is the two thing. If you want the work here complete at the time, so you yes, you become as like a client, and if you want to do the work for some other person, then you become a freelancer. The thing is there, just instant answer is there, the what the browse and talent, here the talent categories are there, in which platform the ratings are more high, the work are more coming more and more. So that is the development and IT. This field is a very high professional field, where the numbers of the client are coming to just take the projects here, to give the projects here. So this is the platform if you are regarding just related about the development and IT. So this is your best platform where you can just make a best career and give and deploy the work and soon and the time, and take the rating from that and with the paid amount. The other thing, AI services, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translations, admin and support, customer support, finance and accounting, engineering and architecture. This is how good companies find good companies. This is the thing that here you are going to connect it directly with the client and through the buyer. One thing more here, the thing is there, find your talent your way. You are just simply going to post your job, browse, and you buy projects and get advice from the industry expert. The proof of quality is the most thing. No cost until you hire, safe and secure. This is the very best thing you are just going to hear. Find great work. The thing is there that here you can just find your work according to your choice here. There are the more things. Let I just show you, just describe you, which is very useful for you. So let I just tell you what the thing is there. The thing is there, when you just going to first of all just log in here, so you have to create your profile. Whenever you like to just create your profile, so you have to just show here your skills, your talents, your professionals, your certificates, what kind of work, your portfolio you have to manage it, your profile you have to manage it, and many more things you have to you must have the requirement, what kinds of feedback. This is the main thing, how your the people is going to client is going to trust on you on the basis of your feedbacks of your previous work, how you have just given your client your feedbacks of how which kinds of work you have done. This is a very special things. And the main thing is their description should always be in short phrases, and there be a clear in sentence that what kind of work you are going to do and what kind of work you are going to just deploy as soon in the time. So this I think is there. Microsoft Airbnb these are the trusted by the Upwork. These all the things are available here. There are the IT development, AI services, designing, and many things more are there. The most important thing, how you are going to connect with the paying amount, how you are going to connect the payment account here. This is the most important thing. So let I just describe this thing about payment gateway. If you have the PayPal account, so you can just directly get a payment in your PayPal account, or you don't have the PayPal amount. So for the Indian peoples or for the another countries people, UK peoples, USA peoples, they should that include their another gateway platform. So if you have the bank account, so directly you can just connect your bank account through the Upwork by using the IFSC code, and there should be, if you have foreign and another account, other country account, there should be a Swift code. So these are very wonderful things that you can directly get the interest here. And sometime Upwork is also taking the some charges of the work and giving the client, so that could be just detected on the time of the payment. So after detections of their taxes and their fee, you are going to just get your amount in your bank account finally. So I think so you have now just clear with this platform Upwork, and I think so you are going to take on interest on this Upwork. So this is a very best platform. If you are sitting in the home, nothing is there in your hand, so this is the best platform where you can just make your career, you make your money, or you make your wealth. This is simply doing your job, whether it's not dependent either you are a specific a professional, whether any kind of skill you have, whether a music you are creating, you are a script writer, or you are a translator, or a designer, or a sketcher, any kind of work you have, you can just go simply in the Upwork and just create your profile and just complete your profile and begin with just buy the tokens here as like a connect is a one kind of token. You have to simply buy the connect. This is also very cheap, not as expensive. They are just keeping on the Upwork to take the just put the bid and response to the client here. So on the submitted of your bids to the client, if client accept your bid, so this is the final, you are going to get the work here in the Upwork. So I think hope you are clear now. For the any query and the any comment, you can just like and subscribe us. Don't forget to comment us if you want any query related about this Upwork video. So I think so hope this video is very useful for you, and hope I am going to meet you in another video. And if you have any query related about it Upwork, so just comment in the inbox. At the time, bye bye, take care, have a good day.